Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode, we're going to be making another salad. This time around, it's going to be a salad with some chicken, mushroom, other ingredients that you're going to see, and with mayo instead of the olive oil and lemon like my other salads were. So let's start with the ingredients like always. So the first thing you're going to need is of course some chicken. So this is chicken breast, boneless and skinless. I just cut it up into small pieces. We're going to fry it in a pan with some olive oil. You're going to need some tomatoes. Just use large tomatoes, not cherry tomatoes, but any kind. You're also going to need some mushrooms. So these mushrooms come in a can like these. These are just sliced mushrooms. Also some cheese. I prefer to use cheddar cheese for this recipe. So this is just double cheddar cheese, already pre-shredded. Now you're going to need about 4 or so cloves of garlic. So these I already grated. And just some regular mayo, just Hellmann's is what we're going to use today. So to start, let's pan fry the chicken and then we'll cut up the tomatoes and put the salad together. Okay, so to start pan frying the chicken, you just need a pan with some oil. So I'm using olive oil today, and just put it on high heat so it gets really hot. You want to cook the chicken pretty fast on a high setting, just so it cooks pretty fast, it doesn't burn. You just want it like light golden brown sort of color. Okay, so this is what you want, the chicken to make sizzling sounds. When you put it on, that means that your frying pan is hot enough. And pretty much I'm going to keep it on high, maybe change it to a little bit lower setting a little bit later on. But you do want to just keep mixing it and cook it pretty fast on high heat. Sort of like stir frying your chicken. Okay, so now chicken looks about ready. So I turned off my stovetop. As you can see, it is just golden in color. You don't want to overcook it, just so it's still kind of soft. So now we're just going to take it off. I'm just going to place it into a bowl for it to cool down. Okay, so like I said, this is the finished pan-fried chicken. So what you want to do now is just wait for it to cool down a little bit. And while it's cooling down, let's slice up the tomatoes. So for the tomatoes, we want to just cut the tomatoes in half. Of course, take out the little stem part. Okay, now all you want to do is just slice your tomatoes like this. Not too thick. And really you don't need these parts at the end, just these slices here. Okay, so to speed up the process of the chicken to cool down, so we're going to place it on the platter where we're going to be making the salad. And you just want to spread it out, just like that. Okay, the next thing you want to do is just put some garlic on top of the salad. Okay, so the next thing after the garlic, the next layer we're going to do is we're going to put some mushrooms on top. And you just want to spread them out. And remember, they sell these mushrooms in a can sliced and not sliced. It's much easier to just buy them sliced. Saves you a lot of time. Okay, I think that's enough. Next thing we're gonna do is a layer of cheese. And now you just want to put some mayo on top of your salad. And now we're just going to use a spatula to try and spread out the mayo a little bit. Okay everyone, so I have now spread the mayo with the spatula. So the next thing we want to do is we want to decorate with the tomatoes. So you take all those slices that are not the ends, and you're just going to place your tomatoes all around. And the last thing I like to do is just put some salt on your tomatoes. Okay everyone, so here's the final product. Let me show you up close like always. So here is a salad made with chicken, garlic, mushrooms, cheddar cheese, mayo, and some tomatoes on top. The tomatoes are not only for decoration, but also they taste really good because there is no other fresh vegetable inside the salad. So that is the final product. So try out this salad at home. Try it out when your guests come over or just for a dinner. It is a really interesting salad, not like most other ones you probably know. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Bye.